What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brian with Menace Mode Detailing. Thank you guys for watching this video. You guys get your merch, links in the description down below. We're gonna go ahead and take you guys through our engine bay process. So we're just gonna go ahead and show you guys how we detail, how we clean up an engine bay. So as you guys can see here, this engine bay is not all too bad. It just has a little bit of dirt and debris on top here. Just a light layer. There's nothing too crazy going on in here. We're gonna go ahead and clean the bottom half of the hood down here. And we're also going to make sure that we get in between all these bolts and stuff like that. Make sure we move all these leaves and stuff like that off the engine bay to give it a nice clean look. So we're just going to keep things super simple. All we're going to use for this detail is going to be simply Super Clean and 303 Aerospace. Watch the entire video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let's go ahead and jump into the video. Let's go. So what I have here is just a plastic bag. You probably get this bag anywhere. You probably have some in your house right now. So we're gonna go ahead and just try to put this plastic bag over certain compartments in here that may need to be covered. So I can see right here that we have a battery, which already has a cover on it. We have the alternator right here, which is also exposed. So we're gonna make sure we kind of just put this towel, or not put this towel, put this bag over that alternator so that we don't spray any water on it or anything like that. Now, this is not kind of like, I'm not liable for you guys. You know, if you guys make a mistake when you do this, it's not my responsibility. But I do want to point out that always remember to remove the bag once you're done. Don't just leave it in there, because if you do that, you're kind of going to go ahead, you know, set yourself up for failure. So just be careful with that. And again, I'm not liable or responsible for anything. All right, so what I have in this spray pump right here by Marilex, which will be linked down in the description down below, is Super Clean. You can find this at O'Reilly's. I bought this at AutoZone. Walmart even has it. I think Walmart has it for the cheapest. Just gonna go ahead and pump this pump spray. Again, you can use a regular spray bottle, but this is just the easiest and the most efficient way that I can knock this out, because it's super easy to spray this bottle here. You kind of see. So I kind of definitely recommend you guys check it out. And again, it'll be linked down below, so definitely check it out. All right, so kind of like I mentioned earlier, we're gonna go ahead and use just a regular brush here, as well as the inner wheel brush cleaner right here. So we're gonna use these two brushes right here for the engine bay cleaning. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead, you know, agitate the black surfaces, stuff like that. Make sure we put this back in the bucket to need it. So it's gonna agitate all these emblems and taps and stuff like that. Brush. All right, so now the engine bay has been rinsed down fully, top to bottom. So we're now gonna go ahead and start doing the exterior wash and stuff like that, which is not a part of this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this air dry a little bit as I do the wheels, as I do the contact wash, the foam wash, the clay bar, all that good stuff. We're gonna go ahead and just wait and let this dry up so that we can go ahead and apply our dressing and kind of just add the cherry on top, you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and just let this air dry. We're actually gonna go ahead and close it. All right, you guys, so we actually went ahead and just let the engine bay air dry. I popped the hood, and now the sun is beaming right down on it, so you can kind of start seeing like the imperfections and a lot of like dirty spots and stuff like that. So we're actually gonna go ahead and use some 303 protectant right here. So we're gonna go ahead and just spray this all over the entire engine bay, and then I'm gonna follow up with a towel and kind of get all of the harder to reach areas with a towel. So we're gonna go ahead and, like I said, just spray this onto the vehicle. And again, you can pick this up at O'Reilly's, or I'll link it down below. You can easily find this on Amazon for cheap. And just like that, you guys, we are all done with the engine bay. So like I mentioned, we sprayed the 303, we let it sit, and now I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like after about 10 to 15 minutes of it sitting there. So the engine bay looks pretty nice. Actually, the client already came out, he took a look, he loves it. He loves how the entire car turned out. So we're gonna go ahead and just head off after this. Guys, for watching this video here, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. And hopefully, like I said, you incorporate this into your business, because that's the whole point of making this video, to make it easier for you to understand and have a better grasp of how to do certain things, detailing related. So that way when you're out in the field, you have a lot more confidence and you feel better about what you're charging. So honestly, a service like just the engine bay would probably range anywhere from 20 bucks to 80 bucks with certain packages. So yeah, thank you guys, like I said, so much for watching the video. Again, if you want to, you know, charge, you know, your prices for this could be easily something you could just upsell on, or, you know, just start including with other detailing packages. So yeah, charge 20 bucks, 40 bucks, 30 bucks, 45 bucks, whatever you want to charge, you guys. Whatever you do, just make it happen and just try your best to make it look as good as possible. So yeah, gonna head out. Appreciate y'all for watching. Hustle Never Settle. Peace out.